What if the future of sports cars doesn't make any engine noise, yet still gives you goosebumps every time you press the accelerator? Before we go any further, it's important to know that the Hyundai N Vision 74 is an officially revealed concept vehicle, and Hyundai has publicly showcased it as a vision of its high-performance future. However, a production version for 2027 has not been fully confirmed. Multiple reports, industry insiders, and Hyundai executives have hinted that the company is seriously exploring production, but final specifications, pricing, and launch timing remain unconfirmed. So throughout this video, we'll clearly separate what's officially revealed from what's currently expected or rumored. Whether it arrives exactly as the concept or with production-ready changes, one thing is already certain. The N Vision 74 has become one of the most exciting performance cars Hyundai has ever created. From the very first glance, the Hyundai N Vision 74 looks unlike anything else on the road. Instead of following modern sports car trends, Hyundai combined futuristic electric performance with unmistakable 1970s inspired styling, creating a design that immediately captures attention. The sharp front end features pixel-style LED headlights stretching across the nose, giving the car a distinctive identity both day and night. Clean horizontal body lines, aggressive front air intakes, and an extremely low stance create a purposeful appearance that looks ready for the racetrack while remaining elegant enough for everyday admiration. The wide fenders emphasize its muscular proportions, housing massive performance wheels wrapped in low-profile tires that instantly communicate the car's serious intentions. Moving toward the side profile, the long hood, fastback roofline, and sculpted rear quarter panels pay tribute to the legendary Hyundai Pony Coupe Concept while introducing modern aerodynamic efficiency. Large side air channels are designed to improve cooling and airflow, while the broad shoulder line creates one of the strongest silhouettes in recent automotive design. Around the rear, the N Vision 74 becomes even more dramatic. A full-width pixel LED light bar stretches across the back, paired with an enormous rear diffuser, functional aerodynamic elements, and bold performance styling that leave absolutely no doubt about the vehicle's character. Every angle of the car looks carefully engineered rather than overly complicated. Unlike many futuristic concepts filled with unnecessary design tricks, the N Vision 74 feels believable. It looks like a car that enthusiasts could actually imagine driving every day, and that's exactly why it has generated so much excitement across the automotive world. Step inside, and the futuristic theme continues while still respecting traditional sports car design. Rather than overwhelming the driver with oversized displays and complicated controls, Hyundai has created a cockpit that focuses on driving. The dashboard combines digital technology with physical performance-inspired controls, allowing the driver to access important functions quickly without unnecessary distractions. A fully digital instrument cluster provides speed, performance data, navigation, battery or hydrogen system information, and customizable driving modes depending on how the vehicle is configured. A central infotainment display is expected to offer wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, advanced navigation, connected vehicle services, and over-the-air software updates. Premium bucket seats provide exceptional support during spirited driving, while remaining comfortable enough for longer journeys. Alcantara, premium leather, aluminum trim, and carbon fiber-inspired accents create an interior that feels worthy of a flagship performance model. The flat-bottom steering wheel, aluminum pedals, and performance-focused driving position constantly remind you that this isn't simply another electric vehicle. It's designed to deliver genuine excitement. Storage space naturally isn't the primary focus, but practical compartments, modern connectivity features, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and premium audio are all expected if the car reaches production. Most importantly, visibility remains surprisingly good for a performance coupe, thanks to the generous glass area and carefully designed seating position. Hyundai clearly wanted drivers to feel connected to both the machine and the road, creating an interior that balances advanced technology with the emotional experience enthusiasts expect from a true performance car. Now let's talk about what could make the 2027 Hyundai N Vision 74 one of the most exciting performance cars of the decade: its powertrain. While Hyundai has not officially confirmed the final production specifications, the original N Vision 74 concept was developed around a revolutionary hydrogen fuel cell hybrid system paired with dual electric motors. That combination demonstrated more than 670 horsepower and over 900 Newton-meters of torque, proving that alternative energy doesn't have to sacrifice excitement. If Hyundai moves forward with production, the company is expected to refine this technology even further, delivering stronger performance, improved efficiency, and better everyday usability. Instant electric torque means acceleration would feel immediate, with no delay, no gear hunting, and no traditional engine vibration. The low-mounted battery pack and advanced chassis would create an incredibly low center of gravity, improving stability through corners while maintaining exceptional balance at high speeds. Hyundai's N Division is also expected to tune the suspension, steering, brakes, and electronic differential specifically for enthusiastic drivers, ensuring the car feels engaging whether it's attacking a mountain road or cruising on the highway. Advanced regenerative braking, multiple drive modes, adaptive suspension, launch control, and performance telemetry could all become part of the final package if the production model stays true to the concept. Safety technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera are also likely to be included, combining cutting-edge performance with everyday practicality. Whether Hyundai ultimately chooses hydrogen, battery electric technology, or a combination of both, the N Vision 74 represents the company's determination to prove that the future of performance can still be emotional, exciting, and unforgettable. So, should you be excited about the 2027 Hyundai N Vision 74? Absolutely. Here's what we know. The N Vision 74 is officially real as a Hyundai concept and has been publicly demonstrated, making it one of the most celebrated concept cars in recent years. What remains unconfirmed is exactly when, or if, a production version will arrive, and how closely it will resemble the original concept. Industry reports, executive comments, and continued public appearances strongly suggest Hyundai is seriously evaluating production because of overwhelming global demand from enthusiasts. If it reaches showrooms, it's expected to compete with future high-performance electric sports cars from Porsche, BMW M, Mercedes-AMG, Tesla, and even some traditional supercars. Pricing has not been officially announced, but many analysts expect it to occupy the premium performance segment, reflecting its advanced technology and limited production appeal. More importantly, the N Vision 74 isn't simply about numbers on a specification sheet. It represents Hyundai's confidence, creativity, and willingness to challenge long-established performance brands. It combines nostalgic design with futuristic engineering in a way that very few manufacturers have successfully achieved. Instead of copying existing sports cars, Hyundai has created something with its own unmistakable identity, and that's exactly why enthusiasts around the world continue talking about it. If the production model delivers even 80% of what the concept has promised, it could easily become one of the most desirable performance cars of the decade. It has the potential to change how people think about electric and hydrogen-powered sports cars forever. And perhaps most importantly, it proves that the future of driving doesn't have to lose its soul. It can still be thrilling, it can still be beautiful, and it can still make every drive feel special. What do you think about the 2027 Hyundai N Vision 74? Would you choose this futuristic performance machine over a traditional gasoline-powered sports car? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest future cars, concept vehicles, upcoming EVs, and next-generation automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. This is the Car Era.